CIMB Group Holdings Bhd will not need to raise capital even if it were to inject equity into its overseas subsidiaries in Indonesia and Thailand, as the Malaysian banking group is currently well capitalised, said its group CEO Datuk Seri Nazir Razak. He said the banking group had a total risk-weighted capital ratio in excess of 15% currently, and hence it was in a comfortable position to support its overseas subsidiaries PT Bank CIMB Niaga and CIMB Thai Bank PCL.
So there's no issue of CIMB requiring capital or equity capital. The rights issue in Thailand is only 300 million ringgit maximum. Similarly, in Indonesia, even if we were to contemplate it also, would not be so significant. And both CIMB Thai and CIMB Niaga has ample capability to also fund through bonds as opposed to equity.
He was speaking to reporters after signing a $300 million or 981 million ringgit loan facility agreement with Japan's Bank of International Cooperation or JBIC. Recently, CIMB's Indonesia and Thailand subsidiaries announced plans to beef up their capital. Nazir said CIMB Niaga had no plans to raise capital via equity currently, but would issue $300 million of subordinated debt papers that was announced last week. He said discussions on whether CIMB Niaga would require a right issue was ongoing, and whether or not CIMB Niaga would make a cash call depended on its growth momentum. CIMB Niaga President Director Arwin Rashid, who was also at the signing ceremony, said the bank would expand its branch network to capture higher loan growth this year.
And for this year, the central bank have projected an industry loan growth of over 20%. In that respect, you will see CIMB Niaga to be around that range or even higher.
Meanwhile, the $300 million CBIC Asian facility was the largest CBIC facility provided to a commercial bank and the first to be channeled directly to businesses across the region via a single banking group. Nazir said the loans, which are mainly for small and medium businesses, would be channeled to Japanese and companies that have dealings with Japanese firms in Asian countries via CIMB Bank, CIMB Niaga and CIMB Thai.